Let me show you a better way to peel a mango that has less waste. Most people say cut in half, score the meat, bend it back, and cut off the good stuff. I prefer to use a peeler. So this is my mango from Peru. Let's peel it all. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Look how little is wasted. Now let's cut off the cheeks. And there are still some good bits left around the seed, so we might as well eat that. Good to the last drop. Now let's cut it into pieces. One side. Then the other. Look how much we got. So, what a great way to get your daily dose of mango.